Once again, our motherland weeps, gripped by floods and landslides. How many lives, homes, and livelihoods have been swept away by nature's fury? This video is not only for mourning but a call to responsibility. Climate change, illegal construction, and deforestation bring these disasters as consequences. Mother Earth is warning us. Pay attention to her signs. Do you live in a lowland, flood-prone, or landslide risk area? Do not ignore warnings. Life is more precious than property. Heed every government or disaster management center announcement closely. During crisis, donate food, water, and medicine to those in need. Support all rescue and relief efforts, government or non-government. Share only accurate, verified information. Do not spread rumors or false news. Our duty starts today. Plant trees and protect waterways. Avoid unauthorized buildings. Safeguard our environment for the future. Nature is powerful. Unity and preparedness are our only defense. Learn from the past. Accept these warnings to protect all we hold dear. Our safety is our own responsibility. Act now.